Hello, future engineers. Here is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals and the application to evaluating volume under surfaces or volumes of solids. So, problem 12, find the volume of the solid that lies under the plane 4x plus 6y minus 2x plus 15 equals 0 and above the rectangle with the dimensions x negative 1 less than equal to x less than to 2. This is the inner limits, and the outer limits negative 1 less than equal to y less than equal to 1. So let's focus to this problem first. So we have volume integral from negative 1 to 1, outer limit, then inner limits negative 1 to 2 of quantity 4x. Divide everything by 2 first and solve for z. Z is 2x plus 3y, then plus 15 over 2. So take note that is the z value. Then quantity dx dy. So we evaluate this integral by treating x as the variable first. So we have volume equals integral from negative 1 to 2. The integral of this is x squared, then plus 3yx plus 15 halves of x from negative 1 to 2 times dy. So this becomes volume equals quantity integral negative 1 to 2 of quantity 2 square, which is 4, plus 3 times 2y is 6y, then plus 15. Then minus lower limits negative 1, that would be negative 1 square, so minus quantity 1, then plus 3y times negative 1, so minus 3y, then plus 15 halves of negative 1, negative 15 halves. If we simplify this is 4 plus 15, 19, minus 1, 18, then plus 15 halves, that's 51 over 2. Then 6y minus negative 3y is 9y. So the integral of 15 halves, 51 over 2 is 51 over 2y. Then the integral of 9y is 9y squared over 2. So 51 over 2y plus 9y squared over 2 from negative 1 to 1. So since this is even function and the limits are numerically equal, so we just ignore that. That's 0. And we just consider this. This is 2 times 51 over 2. Limits would be 0 to 1. So 2 times 51 over 2 times 1, because the lower limit would now be 0. So the volume is equal to 51 cubic units. Then for problem 13, find the volume of the solid lying under the elliptic paraboloid x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 plus z equals 1. So that means z is equal to 1 minus x squared over 4 minus y squared over 9. So volume equals integral uh, inner limits negative 1 to 1, outer limits negative 2 to 2 of quantity z, which is 1 minus x squared over 4 minus y squared over 9, then dx dy. We treat x as the first variable to be evaluated. So this is integral from negative 2 of 2 of quantity x minus x cubed over 12 minus y squared x over 9 from negative 1 to 1. So all terms are add. So this would be integral negative 2 to 2. This becomes 2. 1 minus negative 1, so 2. This becomes 8 times 2. So 0 to 1, so this becomes minus 2 over 12, so minus 1 6. Then this becomes 2 over 9 y squared. So volume equals integral negative 2 to 2 of 2 minus 1 6 minus 2 y squared over 9 dy. Then 2 minus 1 over 6 is 11 over 6, of course. So this is volume equals integral from negative 2 to 2. So that becomes volume equals 11 over 6 of y minus 2y cubed over 27. So negative 2 to 2 of 11 over 6 minus 2 over 9y cubed. 2 over 9y squared. So the integral is 11 over 6y minus 2 over 27y cubed from negative 2 to 2. Again, these are all add. So this is 4, 11 over 6 times 4. Then this is 2 cubed 8 times 2, so 16. So 11 over 6 times 4 minus 2 over 27 times 16. That is equal to 166 over 27 cubic units. Then next is volume of find the volume of the solid enclosed by the surface. Z equals x secant square y, and the plane Z is 0, so that's the horizontal plane, it's still 0 there. X is 0 to x is 2, and y is 0 to y is pi over 4. Inner limits 0 to 2, outer limits 0 to pi over 4. So volume equals integral c to pi over 4, 0 to 2 of x secant square y dx dy. So we treat x as the variable first, y is constant. So copy secant square, integral of x dx is x squared over 2. So integrals volume 0 to pi over 4 of x squared over 2 secant square of y dy from 0 to 2. So this is 2 square over 2, so 2 minus lower limit 0. So the expression becomes volume equals integral 0 to pi over 4 of 2 secant square y dy. Then, of course, the integral of secant square y is tangent to y because the differential is secant square y dy. So this is 2 tangent of y from 0 to pi over 4. Then since tangent of pi over 4 is 1 and tangent of 0 is 0, so 2 times 1 minus 2 times 0, that would be 2. So 2 times 1 minus 0 is 2 cubic units. So that's it for this video, and for your part, find the volume of the solid that lies under the hyperbolic paraboloid z equals 3y squared minus x squared plus 2 and above the rectangle. This is the region negative 1 to 1, inner limits, then outer limits 1 to 2. So that's it for this video.